This is a paper version of the work in our classroom called the Pink Tower or the Tower of Cubes. And this is a lesson that the children work hands-on with actual wooden cubes and learning how to grade them by size and then stack them into a tower. This is a paper version of that lesson, and some of the children in Miss Carla's class have already had a lesson on this and they made them into an art project. However, we're sending this home for you to use at home right now so that the children could do it over and over as a repetitive lesson on building the pink tower and grading the cubes by size. Up in the top corner, you see what the tower of cubes will look like when it's completed. And over here, we have all of the cubes. We don't expect that your 3-year-old is going to be able to cut this work out on their own. This would be a parent cut activity in order to make them close enough to the cubes so that they'd be able to stack them. Make sure when you do your cutting work, you just cut around the outside edge of the cube. Don't cut any of the interior lines that make it appear to be three-dimensional because the cubes will fall apart. So your goal is to just cut around just the outside lines. And then once you have done that, you can have the child practice putting them in order on the rug or mat or table from biggest cube to smallest cube. And then if they're able to grade them by size appropriately, then you can have them on a flat version stack the tower of cubes. I would, if you have a possibility of doing this, glue this potentially onto something a little stiffer, piece of cardboard or cardstock before you cut them out so that they will last through more uses.